don't know. I don't know. He's talking to him right now. I don't know. I don't know. I think it is. Dan, is it a problem or not? It's not a problem. Looks like a... Dan, talk to me. What is this? Does he know? Dude, he's on fire. A lot of smoke coming out of the engine compartment. The whole doghouse is filled with smoke. If you guys want to come to us, we'll definitely do something on this. I don't know what he's going to do. I'm sure he's landing. He's got to be landing. He's Fountain and Highland, Fountain and Highland, Fountain and Highland. Woo! Fountain and Highland, Fountain and Highland. Franklin and Highland. Franklin and Highland, Franklin and Highland, Franklin and Highland. Woo! Yeah. Franklin and Highland. Oil. I bet you it's oil. Still definitely a precautionary landing. Hey, Mark, can you call our office, get a hold of Gil, and pass the information along, please? Well, I'm ready. Ready. Ready to go. I know. That's what I'm looking at. man. Sky 5, I guess it was an oil leak, a lot of smoke. They just did a precautionary landing. Highland and Franklin. What I'm asking you is, what can I say about this? We have the whole thing on tape.